In this video, I will show you how to copy trade on Solana. So to get started, go ahead and open Trojan on Solana on your Telegram account. So this Trojan on Solana is a bot that you can use for trades on Solana. So just go ahead and hit on the start button in this section, and this will pop on your screen. Trojan on Solana is a cutting-edge bot crafted exclusively for Solana traders. To be able to copy trade on Solana using this tool, you can simply hit on that copy trade button, and here you can go ahead and create a new copy trade setup. Since you're a new user, so you need to click on that new button. In this section, you will need to enter all of the required information, such as assign a unique name or tag to your target wallet to make it easier to identify. Enter the target wallet address to copy trade. Enter the percentage of the target's buy amount to copy trade with, or enter a specific sell amount to always use. Toggle on copy cells to copy the cells of the target wallet, and click add to create and activate the copy trade. So under the advanced features, you can set this section. You can set more settings to your copy trade, and once you're done with this, you can simply activate this for your wallet. That is how you can simply copy trade on Solana.